Hello, today I'm in Volvo XC60. In this video I'll show you how to assign function for favorite button. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. The favorite button is located right here. But firstly, go to My Car, go to Settings, Favorite, and now you can select function for radio between AM favorites and FM favorites to enable traffic information, news or scan. For media, you can select for audio CD features, data CD and DVD features favorites, and aux favorites. Between no function, random and scan, no function, random, repeat folder and scan, and unfortunately for aux there's no function. And also you can reset favorite keys. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.